Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the lid and cover on your Thermomix TM31. This is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance the functionality of your appliance. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These tools will help you safely remove and replace the components without causing any damage. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the underside of the lid. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Carefully unscrew each one and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off the bowl. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. It's important to be patient during this step to prevent any accidental damage. Now, let's focus on the cover. The cover is often secured with clips that can be easily released. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the clips, ensuring you do not apply too much force. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess any issues with your Thermomix. After successfully removing the cover, take a moment to clean the internal components of the Thermomix. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any residue or food particles. This will not only improve the performance of your appliance, but also extend its lifespan. With the internal area clean, it's time to install the new cover. Align it carefully with the clips and press down until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. If you're unsure about the installation, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, take the lid and position it back onto the bowl. Ensure that it fits snugly and aligns with the bowl's edges. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can manage this repair from the comfort of your home. Once all screws are tightened, double-check that the lid is secure and that there are no loose parts. This is crucial for the safe operation of your Thermomix. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source and test the lid and cover to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the lid and cover on your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance like this can keep your appliance running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.